Hello my raisins, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, my name is Ritumeji and this channel is dedicated to hair and makeup, occasional vlogs here and there. If that's your thing, stick around and hit the subscribe button. And my returning subscribers, like always, thank you so much. Returning watchers that haven't subscribed yet, I also welcome you. So in today's video, we are going to refresh box braids hairstyle without having to unbraid our hair, especially here in the front of our hair. And I'm combining that with a Dark and Lovely styling gel review. We all mostly know Dark and Lovely for relaxed hair, but they have taken a different direction, well, a more inclusive direction with providing products for hairstyling and hair care, natural hair care that is. So yeah, we'll see what they have to offer with this styling gel. Alright, so without wasting more time, let's get right into it. What you will need is just fresh, clean water, and then also you're gonna need what I like to call a divinity cloth. I've customized this to you know, my brand name over there, but if obviously because I'm probably the only person that has this, so you can use the normal t-shirt. So normally I use this for drying my hair when I have a wash day, and we know the towel is harsh for the hair, and I just feel like a shirt is I don't know. So starting off, I think I'm going to show you maybe 2 or 3. I'm going to start with this one. I've had these box braids for like 3 weeks, and every now and then I put styling gel on the edges, and after 3 weeks this is what you have. You see the growth from my scalp to where the braiding hair starts, and if you take a closer look, you'll see the disgusting build up that comes from the products that I use. So basically we are going to clean this up with water. I'm going to start with this one because that's where I feel like it's the braid in the front that has the most build up. So you're going to I'm going to place this here so it doesn't, the water doesn't sprinkle all over my face, and I'm going to apply the water where there is build up and just wipe it. And it's very important that you only use water. You don't have, unless if you have time to put shampoo and conditioner and all of that, but alternatively you can spray on the cloth and just go in. You will see I have minimized the build up, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to take the styling gel, apply styling gel on it again, around the same way I would when I braid. Just apply it. I think the one thing I love about the styling gel, I have used it before just so I could test if it doesn't have flaking, and I've used Soft and Free and I've used Eco Styler before, and I have to say that this Dark and Lovely styling gel has the least amount of flakes. If anything, there's not even it's like very minimal. The flakes are very minimal, or the buildup. So okay, I forgot to direct there. All right, so this is how it looks after applying styling gel, and then I'm going to just twist it. I'm just gonna twist it, not too tight, and just put it behind my ear like this. So as I'm doing the rest of the hair, it will stay put. It's also another option is you can use clips. I currently don't have clips, so you can use clips to clip it with the rest of the hair. So let me just do the second one for you guys. spray some water. I really love how this one smells. Dark and Lovely Styling Gel smells. I really love how it smells. It smells much better than Eco Styler, and it smells much better than Soft and Free, but Soft and Free also smells better than Eco Styler. Just make sure that you focus on the area that you see the most build up, and normally that's where your hair joins the braiding hair or the hairpiece. So just rub with your fingers like this around that area. If you pay careful attention, you can feel the styling gel when it meets the water, so rub it until you can't feel it anymore. All right, so again, take styling gel, apply it around your hair, your section, your box braid section. And I'm leaving these hairs because I'm going to define them after I'm done with the braids part. Okay, again, I'm going to twist. To a comfortable tight, and put it around your ear like that. And so I'm going to do the same thing to this front row, and I'll be back. All right, now that we are done doing all of that in the front, I'm going to clean up my edges to just finish the look. Apply. So far I'm loving the styling gel. It seems like it's holding. Yeah, so you're just going to apply the edges like that, and then I'm just going to shape it. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to take this silk cloth. I just cut it from an old matric dance dress, and I'm just going to just make sure that everything, the gel stays in place. Just tie it. I'm going to leave this on for about an hour, and then in the meantime I think I'll do my makeup just to be extra, and I'll come back with everything in place. See you on the flip side. Yes, it's been just over an hour, and let's see if the styling gel did the things as it was supposed to. All right, let's just untie the silk cloth over our edges. So this is how it looks when you're done with the whole thing, and as you can see, the buildup doesn't show because of the water we used. The styling gel helps lay down it properly, and just like that, just simple and straightforward. I really hope you really enjoyed this video. This brings us to the end of our video for today. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it, and most importantly that you found it very helpful and useful. That's something that you can use in your day-to-day life as well. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, if you are going to try it, if you've tried it before, or just go and try it and let me know whether or not it worked for you. And yeah man, thank you so much for making it this far. I really love and appreciate your guys' support, and till next week, bye.